guys, welcome back to a new video. This week I was supposed to be fitting some lowering springs, some new lowering springs and some spacers. Now I fitted the springs and I didn't like the stance. It didn't sit as low as I thought it would, so I'm going back to my springs I had previous. So what I've done is, because I've filmed the springs and the spacers together, I've kind of chopped out the bits about the springs, just so that I've still got some more content coming out. I'll show you how they are mounted, what I've done, and what millimeter I've gone for. Sorry it's a bit of a chopped up video, but like I say, there's no point me showing you the video of me putting the rear springs on to tell you that I'm going to be taking them off. It'd just be a waste of all your time, and I don't think it'd be very good content. It'd be silly. So the next couple of minutes is just me showing you how the car looks. But that's how she's sitting at the moment without the spacers. Just try and get you around. Massive gap between the wheel and the edge of the arch. Shocking. I really don't like it. Same on that side. We'll get the front. See a big gap there as well. So I'm going to try and come out and fill that with these wider spacers. So without further ado, let's get some spacers on. This is what we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all 20mm. There we have it. We're now going to go over there in the boiling hot sunshine where I've dropped the car up and get one of these on. So with the wheel off, these can come on. They go on there like so, and these bolts, if you don't drop them on the floor, go in place of the old bolts. So then when your wheel goes back on, the bolts that currently hold your wheels on go on there and go down there nicely. So what I'm going to do is take all these bolts off here, stick them all onto the existing studs, and then tighten them down, put the wheel back on, and then tighten these up onto there. There we have all 5 torqued down. Put the wheel on now, wheel nuts on like I said, and then we can lower it down and see how good it looks. There we go boys, that's the back's done. Just pulled it outside because obviously there's a bit of shade out here, so you'll be able to see a bit better. So there's a lot less wheel gap now. It's closed in nicely. Obviously it's the same on this side. So now put it back in the garden and then put the front spacers on. There we go, spacers are on and she's sitting a hell of a lot better. Let's take you around the other side and show you that side too. There we go. I had loads better. A lot more poke on it. So now that you've seen how the car looks, let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, sorry it was such a rubbish video. The rest of the video would have been good if I'd have been happy with the springs, but as I say, I wasn't, so they'll be coming back off. Thanks again for watching guys, and stick around because we will have a couple more bits coming soon, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.